যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে
Thank you, Project Uchai, for making me understand the more you care, the stronger you are.
Thank Project Achai for making me realize that one person can make a difference and everyone should try.
Thank you, Project Uchai, for telling me that thousands of candles can be burned from one, and yet happiness never decreases when shared.
Part of Project Uchai, which has taught me how to be grateful for this wonderful life.
Project Uchai has given me so many life lessons.
I love Project Uchai. It has been my passion to work with Project Uchai and do something or the other for the society.
Thank you, Project Uchai, for making me learn that small steps actually make some big impact.